I'm just so depressed, man. I don't think there's anything that's gonna cheer me up at this point.
Hamburger.
Inspiration for this hair was prisms, this type of prism, and I am shocked at how prismatic it actually feels. Like, I'm not sure how much it's showing up on camera, but it truly feels like I have one of those like prism, I have a prism like constantly reflect, like sunlight refracting through a prism hitting my head. It feels like this shouldn't actually be on my head. It should just be, it's as if I'm blonde and like a rainbow is.
Everybody thinks that I lost my mind again, and they're right.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change me.
The plan is to use these 3 dyes from Arctic Fox. I want the colors to be pastel, so I'm starting with white conditioner. Okay, final answer. These are our colors. Woo. I'm about to have neon green hair. A cool thing about this hair dye is it's UV reactive. If you go under a black light, it will like glow. I'll insert a photo of the times this happened to me. If you're an adventurous girl and going to a rave, highly recommend dyeing your hair this color. People will freak out and tell you about it. Green is fully applied, so now we gotta wrap this up and start on the pink. My strategy is to do all my roots and stay away from these lines. Like 75% of my roots are done. For the rest, I'm just gonna use gloves and pull it through. Oh, I think I like it. I think this is gonna turn out good. Excuse me? So here's the result. I'm obsessed. I love this color. What do y'all think? Was this another slay? Also just got my nails done to match.
you guys are definitely coming along with me while I partner with Salon Centric about this. I have been screaming into the abyss about Satire by Pulp Riot being gone since the day they discontinued it. Nothing can ever compare to this yellow, no matter how hard I try. But now it's back and I can let out a sigh of relief because I've been missing her. Of course, now that she is back, she is with the new formula that is anti-overworking and also has better longevity, up to 50 washes. I will say it looks slightly different coming out of the tube, but it looks exactly the same once it processes on hair as the old formula. And of course, as soon as I got my hands on it, I had to put it on someone's entire head. Please never leave me again. I love this yellow so much.
Starting off with an uneven canvas, she had banding in different levels throughout, so I went in and lifted her hair. I needed to create a more even base. Then I layered my formula to build that rich copper while keeping it controlled. This is how you take something patchy and turn it into a smooth dimensional finish.